Hello guys, this is Bintang B with another card review. So there is Oriel Think Tank deck or card. So I got this yesterday. I bought a booster pack and I got this card, but nothing good though. This is just a double rare card. So if you want it, you could buy it for $5 or $50. Okay, so this is Evil Eye Princess Ariali, and the skill is when this unit is placed on the vanguard or rear guard. If you have number of Oriel Think Tank in your soul is 6 or more, choose one card at random from your opponent's hand, pin in face down, and at the beginning of the end page. If that turn your opponent puts that card into his or her hand. Okay, that is actually the skill. I have nothing good about the picture. I don't really like this. For you that like this card, you can buy it or trade me or for something like maybe something like Dragonic Overlord or something. So okay, this is my last. Okay, so this is a double R right here. Okay, see you next time.